This week, Board Culture magazine hits the road to take you to the biggest skateboard manufacturer in Europe. With a little bit more of 20 million skaters across the world, and half of them riding the United States of America, the skateboard market is doing fine, thank you. But did you ever wonder how an object of such a high demand was manufactured? What's for sure is that everything starts with some simple piece of wood. Here is the ply delivery coming from Northern America. A skateboard is made out of 7 layers of maple wood, and this is a color ply that will be used for top or bottom of the board. A ply needs to be delivered with a level of around 7 to 8% humidity, and some are made to be sandwiched inside the board and some to cover the outside. A ply with the right humidity should always make this noise. Then we prepare the sandwich and press it, as we'll see with the next step. And now this is how the sandwich is getting prepared before getting to the press. Each layer is pre-glued on both sides, and then they're piled up and put under the press for 5 minutes. This is the most crucial part. This is the board that comes out of the press, still square before being cut, but it looks good already. So it is now going to the digital engineering that will give the original shape. Let's go check it out. So this is the made in Europe way of printing, and I'll tell you what, we are very proud of it. And this is how the edges are rounded and the board well polished to get a better finish, a better touch. This is the production part of the process we don't want to show, it's top secret. Believe it or not, but even in the skate industry, industrial spying is feared and not welcome at all, so that all manufacturing secrets can remain jealously preserved. War between Europe, the USA and North China is officially open. We're done with the varnishing part of the board. Next step is the graphic part, and with what we call the serigraphy process. Once the graphic process is over, the board is ready to reveal its true identity. Associating the name of a rider with a specific graphism can boost sales and help some models reach a commercial feature way behind all expectation. So is a regular deck becoming a communication vector? For us, the answer is yes, 100% guaranteed. Once the manufacturing process is over with, the boards are wrapped up in plastic sheet and shipped to the skate shop. But in a world where tendencies are daily evolving, what makes a board sells better than others? Shapes that sells better are those with noses and round tails. Then depending on the skater, everyone has his favorite shape, and two skaters could practice exactly the same type of skating, but with two different equipment. So this is the concave, the part where the edges are lifting up. The more concave the board is, and the more rigid it's going to be. And also the more frictions you'll get here in moves such as a kickflip, for example. It actually influences the board reactivity. You have probably understood by now that whether being a well-established skater, beginner or just a wannabe skater, the shape of your board will have a tremendous impact on your way of riding. Be aware also that different equipment is required whether you're a street skater, you ride pool or skate parks. So watch out, the look is not everything, and whatever equipment you use, remember that before getting yourself on a 15-stair handrails like Mathieu Dupuis does, you need a solid pair of cojones. But for that, unfortunately, there is no process secret. It's all up to Mother Nature, so good luck.